Just letting you see how I make these bolt heads. It's a lot easier to explain with a video than it is with a picture and trying to type it all out. You can see I've got my pin vise. I've got a pin, just a regular old seamstress type pin mounted in it. I've got some fairly coarse emery board right there. On my pin vise I have used, I think that came off of an air hose. I drilled it out to fit. You can see I have it marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's so I know which side I've already sanded on. Now that hex fitting right there that I've pressed on my pin vise acts as I don't know what you call it, something to give the bolt heads a shape. So you just hold on to, put it on number 1, hold that dude down, put it on here, just wiggle it back and forth. Then you flip it over from number 1 to number 2, and you go on about your business like this. Do that about 4 more times, or however many bolts you're going to do, and then you end up getting something like this. Let's see if I can focus on that. Anyway, it's so tiny you can't really see the detail on it, but once it gets on your model, it'll probably look pretty good. A little bit of practice and you'll have it down. It's really easy. Well, hope you love it. Thanks.